Hello everybody, so here's a quick 4K video tour of a recent stay we did at the Kimberly Hotel in New York City. In this video, you're going to see a guest room with a king-size bed, master bath including the walk-in shower, view from the balcony looking down East 50th Street here in Midtown Manhattan, the in-room microwave, coffee maker and mini fridge, also the Rooftop Lounge, which is a restaurant that serves small drinks and small bites. And also the downstairs lobby, as well as the front of the hotel from the street as it looks at night. If you'd like to see one of the Kimberly Hotel's suites that has a jacuzzi tub in the master bath, just click on the link in the description below. So I hope you enjoy this video tour of this luxury hotel in New York City. If you found it useful, we'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more travel content here on this channel.